third circle question here. We've got a right-angled triangle with lengths 5, 12, and 13 as shown, and then an inscribed semicircle whose diameter lies on the side of the 12 centimeter part. Okay, we're gonna have to get the radius involved here, so we don't really have any choice but to draw a line from the center. And okay, I connect it to there, but what about to here? Because that's the radius. So I'm going to now call this length here the radius, and then this will also be the radius. Now, one property of a circle is that its radius will meet its tangent at 90 degrees. Okay, so that is actually a tangent. It just glances off. And in fact, I've created another right angled triangle, but it's going to have exactly the same angles as the original triangle because you can see the original one had a right angle. They both share this purple angle, so this green angle must be the same as this green angle. So I'm actually going to draw them now side by side. Not going to be perfectly to scale, but I've got 13, 12, and 5. And then this smaller triangle, well, I'm going to have to just change the orientation. Imagine moving it around. Then I've got R here. And okay, I don't know this length. This length here is actually then going to be 12 minus r. So that is going to be the hypotenuse. And we've got similar triangles, so we can use that idea to figure out what r is. So it must be that well, we can do r divided by 5. Like imagine this was 10. You could do 10 divided by 5 to get the scale factor, what you would divide by going that way. So we can do r divided by 5 to get the scale factor. But we can also do, because this would be 26 if this was 10. I'm not saying that is the case, I'm just saying I'd be scaling up by 2 going to the right, or dividing by 2 going to the left. I could do 10 divided by 5. I could also do 26 divided by 13 to get the scale factor. So I can write down that r over 5 is 12 minus r over 13. I've created a little equation. Just need to, I can cross multiply, so 13r is then 60 minus 5r. Now I've got an equation with r on both sides. 18r is going to be 60. I'll divide through by 6, I think. So 3r is 10. Therefore, r must be 10 over 3. Lovely question.